So I need y'all to do y'all thing. 2022 Crf450r-s, right? Y'all, I thought it was the battery. If you look over there, I brought a brand new test battery, put the battery in it, still no start. I went over here and I took this off and I put the damn screwdriver on the stator, and you can hear the starter turn over, but it won't start. It won't catch. Like, it's not doing nothing, literally. It's in neutral. Feel me? I pull a clutch and press the start, still won't start. Y'all let me know what it could be. I was on YouTube and everybody was saying rev limiter thing. But it's like, how do I know that when I'm not even getting a response to the bike at all? Like, yeah, she clean, she crispy, she ready to go. Well, it was. But y'all let me know.